Good afternoon, everyone. It is July 2nd, first class in July here at KIT Iizuka for English A2, third period. Today is class number 11. So we basically only have this week 11, class 12, class 13 as regular classes until we have the test. The test will be on July 23rd, sorry. Test will be on July 23rd. That will be the first test. And then the second test will be the week after July 30th. That will be the conversation test. So I want to take today, class 12, class 13, as the last 3 days for you to practice your speaking skills. And we'll talk about that a little bit after we get all of this over with. So what to do in that sense? Let's see. First today, actually, I want to start with counter. I want to see how well you're speaking today before you have any warm-up. Then from counter, we're going to go to Quizlet. And then from Quizlet, we're going to start speaking and speaking and speaking, working on your speaking skills. Not so much the fluency practice that we very often do with I go, do you go, does he go. Not today, not next week even. Today I want you to have chances to practice your real conversation skills. But in terms of your homework, speaking of homework, you have your homework answers from last week. Please download them. You'll be using them during the test. You have writing quiz number 3. So this follows on from the first 2 writing quizzes. Shouldn't be too difficult. And like all of my quizzes, you have 3 chances to get the best score. You have a reading quiz. This one is on an article called Modern Music. And your reflection number 11, which is always due on a Friday. Just to reiterate what I said last week, in class number 2, I always try to check these to see if these reading reports have changed, and no, they have not. There's still only 11 reading reports here. So I don't know what to say. I hope you guys do have time at the end of the semester to be able to get these reading reports to me, because 11 means not even everybody has done one. Only 11 people have done it. Right now, I have 19 people here, and some of you have done 0. Okay? And don't forget, if you have a reading quiz for each of those reading reports that you have to do. Okay? Please start doing your reading. It's an important part of the class. All right. Yeah, I guess that's it. Okay, thanks very much. If you have any questions, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com or come and speak to me here. Let's have a good class, everyone.